Going to learn about creating list in HTML. There are three type of list. First is ordered list, second is unordered list, and third is nested list. So here we have seen one by one. First is ordered list. Ordered list is list that is comes in order. That's why it's called ordered list. For example, alphabets starts from A, numbers starts from 1. That is called ordered list. Second type of list is unordered list. Unordered list comes under bullets. Bullets means circle, disc or square. That's why it's called unordered list. It's not come with sequence. And last is nested list. Nested list is a combination of ordered and unordered list. That's why it's called nested list. So here we are going to see one by one. So first type is ordered list. Here we can see on the screen A maths, B IT and C account. That is a ordered list. Second type, unordered list. You can see the circles, same type of 3 circles for that. That's why it's called unordered list. So here we going to see the example. Open with Notepad. Here I already created one file. So I'm going to start with HTML head title. I give the title of this page, list tag, head tag close, body tag open. BG color is the attribute of body tag and value set for that is yellow. After that we are going to create a list. For create a list or order list we can use the OL tag. OL means ordered list. OL type is equal to, here I use the Roman 1. After that li means list tag. First list item is IT. After that li tag is close. Second list item is maths. After that li tag is close. And next list item is, here I take account and list tag is close. So here I add the 3 items in my list. After that last ordered list is closed. Here I start my first tag OL and here I close OL tag. So here see the output, how it's look. First I save this page with HTML extension and run in the browser. So here you can see the output. IT, maths and account, Roman 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I am going to change a value of OL A and refresh the page with F5. You can see the output changed with ABC. You can also use order list values small a Here we are going to see another type of list, unordered list. Here we see on the screen all three subjects not come in sequence. You can see this, all three subjects have a same type circle. Okay, that's why it's called a unordered list. So here we're going to see the example of unordered list. I have already created one file. Now I am going to make changes in that file. So here I am going to use ul tag, ul unordered list. Type is an attribute of unordered list, and I am going to create a circle. That's why I am using the value circle, circle, bracket close. Now I am going to add the first list item. It's a maths. li is going to close. li is closed. After that I am going to add second list item. It's a it. After that I am going to li is closed. After that last list item is account. You can add the many list items in a one list. After that last, here unordered list is closed. Save this page, run in browser. You can see the output on your screen. See here, maths, IT and account, all list comes through circle. That's why it's called a unordered list. Okay, we are going to see the nested list. Nested list is a list that's a combination of ordered list and unordered list. You can see on the screen, subjects comes with square. So squares comes under the unordered list. Disc, square or circle, it comes under unordered list. So my first list items comes under unordered list. Second list item A. So A comes with ordered list and B comes with ordered list. So here right hand side you can see the how to write tags. So first ul type is equal to, why I am using ul, because my first item subject, it comes with an ordered list. That's why I am use ul type is equal to square. First item is a first list item is a subject. Okay, after that I am going to not close a ul. Why? Because a second list will be continue. So here I am going to open the ol comes order tag, type is equal to a, and first list item of ol is a it, second list item of ol is a account. After that my list is going to close. That's why I am going to firstly close the ol tag, and after that I am going to close main ul tag. After that body tag is closed, html is closed. That is called a unordered list. So here we are going to see the output. I'm going to open this page, refresh. You can see on the screen, first subjects comes with unordered list and other two list items come with ordered list. Okay.